everybody.
Hello.
Today is another home vlog. We're gonna make some brunch. We got these croissant buns from Aldi, so we're gonna make some bacon, egg, and cheese on those with some hash browns. We're gonna hang out, do some things around the RV. We're also gonna answer some questions. We know we've talked about previously that we were gonna do a Q&A video. It just never happened, so we decided we'll start answering a few questions in every home vlog. So if there's something you want to know that we don't answer, leave a comment on this video. Well, you know, we're gonna try to do at least a few every vlog, just to kind of give you guys a little more glimpse into us, what we're about. So stay tuned.
And we're doing a giveaway.
Oh yeah, it's the most exciting part.
If you watched our Ireland video, we got an Ole Smoky t-shirt. It is a size 2X, but stay tuned till the end of the video and we'll let you know what you need to do in order to win.
Yeah. So let's do it.
Let's go make some
we're hungry.
bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches.
We're always hungry, you guys know that.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
So our neighbors who have been here the whole time left. So it's like we have a huge front yard now.
Yeah, in our RV park.
Yeah, we got a beautiful shot of Lucy here, our 1999 Coachman Leprechaun Class C RV.
She does need a bath.
So do you. No, just kidding. The car does though, there's bird poop all over it. It's just so hot. Even being, it's like 100 degrees outside right now.
You can see
everybody is in the pool, like, whew.
Maybe we'll be in the pool later too.
Alright, let's go back in the AC.
Yes, please.
Oh. What's that? Here's the babies. Hi, Zachary. Oh, hi, Cody. Hi. You're happy we came back inside? We were outside for 5 minutes.
Yeah, and they're like, oh my god, you left us.
It's like we've been gone for 5 days.
Look at that bacon sizzle. I'm so excited for these breakfast sandwiches for lunch. You can eat breakfast any time of day, right? Oh my god.
It is so incredibly hot here. Everyone is in the pool. I feel like we should take a dip. When I walked the dogs after, I was like, oh my god, I want to go in the pool.
I know, we haven't even been in the pool yet this season.
No. Cody still loves being outside because he's nuts. See? He just laid down. He loves laying in the sun. He feels good on his old man bones. These are the croissant buns that we got. Rich butter flavor.
They look good.
Yeah,
they're nice and
they're like thick. Show the side.
4.
Yeah, there's 4, but they're thick.
I'm excited about them.
Yeah.
Kind of remind me of like a cronut. If you've ever been to Disney and had a cronut, so it's like a donut and a croissant and a baby. So I think it'll be fun. Savory. I love a savory Sammy. So I'm excited. I already made bacon. I got some hash browns in the air fryer. So all I have to do now is cook up some eggs, maybe toast these.
Yeah.
Melt some cheese.
Cheese.
Right now we're letting it cool off because in the RV we can't use a lot of amps with cooking. I mentioned this in previous videos. Yeah. So I do an interval to cook something, then I have to turn the AC off, then turn it back on. So right now we've got the fan going, the AC pumping.
Normally when it's not summer, we don't have to do that, but the AC is working so hard that it's using so many amps because it's so hot.
So I just wanted to show you, it is time to change our moisture absorbing hanging bags. I have them hanging up front in the cabin of the RV, which is also my closet. So
that's all Erin's clothes.
This one is full, you can tell because all of the crystals from the top are now did their job.
Look at all that water.
And all the water's in there. And there's another one.
Yeah. This is
over here as well.
This is pretty impressive.
And I'd say it's probably been, we guess about a month.
Yeah, a little over a month this took. Like this is full. There's so much moisture inside RVs because we live in here full time.
It's crazy. You can like work out with how much water is in here.
So I saw these online. I was like, those are perfect.
Yeah, Amazon. I mean, you can use them just for your closet too at home. I mean, or an area that you do notice gets a lot of moisture in your bathroom. We actually have them hanging where we hang our towels, our shower towels to dry. That kind of helps because
the towels take a long time to dry. Yeah.
I remember this being easier to open. Oh, there we go. So they're super easy. They come in this little plastic. And then that's how it starts.
That's full of the beads at the top.
And then that's how it finishes.
Yes, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah, and these were not even a bad price either.
This is like an off-brand. That's why I saw the commercial because the Damp Bread has them.
Yeah.
You know, Damp Bread's like the best brand, most expensive. But this is an off-brand and they're so much cheaper.
And they worked
amazing.
perfect. They did their job.
We buy the ones from Dollar Tree too.
Yes, your Dollar Tree. They have decent ones. They work.
They work pretty well too. We have them in all the cabinets, like everywhere.
Yeah, but I do keep two up in the front just because we want to make sure we don't get any mold happening or
exactly.
You know, things like you want your clothes to smell musty.
Nope. So, yay. Cody. Really? Really, Cody? You're so lazy. He's a lazy baby. Erin's being the censor. Here's the other lazy baby over here. Head under the table. Head under the table.
They're happily. So I'm cooking up some eggs now for our sandwiches. I'm using my little Mickey mold. I just sprayed the mold with some of the avocado oil, and I have some bacon grease and butter in the pan. Just drop the egg on in there.
Bacon grease.
Bacon grease. That's where all the flavor is. So these are the croissant buns. They're really soft on the inside.
They came already cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really soft. I'm excited for this.
We'll see.
Yes.
So I put some butter on the croissant buns, and I'm just toasting them in the air fryer just for like a minute or so, just to get them a little warmed up, and then I will build my sandwiches. So first thing I'm gonna do is throw down some American cheese. I did leave it out so it's not, it's more like room temperature than right out of the fridge.
American. I am American.
Ready. And then I have my little Mickey eggs I tried to make. One turned out much better than the other one. So, do you want the messy one or the
I don't
pretty
care.
one? That right on top. These are some hash browns that I made in the air fryer from Aldi. Super easy. Just put some avocado oil, season them, and cook them 10 minutes. Flip them 10 more minutes. On $3.95. And then here's the bacon. Pretty excited.
Me too.
And
I got me some juice.
voila.
Wow. That looks impressive. Thanks, Erin.
Beautiful. I'm excited.
You ready?
I am. I'm pretty excited about this. Alright, I'm gonna start with his ear. Mickey's ear. You can see it hanging out there. That's really nice. It's very flaky. These are very good.
The buns are good?
Yeah.
You buttered them?
Yeah. They're really nice. Savory.
She was thinking about putting mayonnaise. Do you think it needs it?
I don't know. Maybe that. I like mayonnaise on breakfast sandwiches too.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know. Maybe I'll try. Like, you try first for that. Alright, Kim's gonna try it. That first bite's all it took, huh? Yeah. And I did these hash browns well done because I like it well done.
Yeah, it's super soft.
Hash brown, right?
That's delicious.
Do you think it needs mayonnaise, or you were thinking syrup? You like it just like
I
that?
could do it just a little syrup, but no, it's good.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yummy. Oh my god, that looks so good. It's beautiful. Is there enough bacon?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. I didn't want to overdo it, but I didn't want to
Hash browns.
underdo it either. But yeah. It's delicious.
That was like the best breakfast sandwich I've ever had.
It's so good.
Didn't need mayonnaise or syrup.
Nothing. And it was so easy.
Nothing. So easy. Well, I didn't do anything. But eat it. I worked hard all day making a video.
We have our jobs.
We do. We talk about that a lot. And there's a fly in here.
Oh my god, he's so annoying.
Zachary, get the fly.
Zach's usually pretty good at catching them, but he's been lazy today.
Lazy.
It's hot. It's very hot, but this is so good. I mean, when I make a breakfast sandwich, sometimes I'll do a fried egg or scrambled eggs or whatever, but I was just in the mood for like in between. So that's why I used that little Mickey mold, because I just sprayed it with some cooking spray to kind of help the egg from not sticking. And then you put your skillet on a low temperature. I did around 200 degrees and just put the lid on it and let it cook for a little bit.
We broke the yolk.
Oh yeah, I did. I just took a fork and broke the yolk up a little bit just so
kind of, you have those parts where there's a little yolk. I don't want to, when I'm eating a sandwich, I don't just want to bite into like a big piece of yolk just right in the middle of the sandwich, but I want a little bit.
Yeah.
So this worked out perfect.
It was perfect.
So good and so easy.
I'm finished.
I'm still working on it.
Erin was playing on social media.
I want to let you guys know what we're doing. Follow us on Instagram because I'm trying to do like more daily updates of like what we're doing that day, especially when we're out and about. If you want to keep an eye out for us or know where we're at, follow us on Instagram at KNERVTV.
You ready to answer some Q&A questions?
Yes, I have my handy dandy notebook, and we're just gonna answer a couple basic questions for you guys today. So the one we get, well, we got the most in the beginning of our journey on YouTube was, where are we from? I know we mention often that we're from South Florida, but I was born in Hollywood, Florida, which is close to Miami. It's like right kind of, it's actually Hallandale Beach is where I'm originally from, but it's in the Hollywood area, like Southeast Florida. And Kim, where were you born?
I was born in Plantation, Florida.
Plantation, Florida, which is, again,
and I lived my whole life in Davie, Florida.
Yeah.
Which is in Broward County, Fort Lauderdale. It's all the same area.
Yeah, we're Florida girls, born and raised. I actually did live out of Florida when I was younger. My mom remarried when I was 9, and we moved to Niagara Falls, New York. And I lived there for 6 years during like my teenage time, and then came back to Florida, finished out high school back here, and was here until...
You're saying here like we're there. We're not
I'm
there.
sorry.
We're in Tennessee.
In Florida, I know, it's hard. Especially living in an RV. Our home always looks the same. It's just
on the inside. The outside's just different.
There's many times we have forgotten where we are, for sure. Especially after just moving to a new location. But yeah, so what was I saying? Oh, I lived in New York for 6 years, then moved back to South Florida, finished out high school, and then stayed in Florida until Kim and I decided to move to South Carolina.
That was like 2014?
Yeah.
We lived there for like a year and a half.
Yeah, and then went back to Florida, lived in Orlando for a couple months, then went back to South Florida where we were from to be with family. Did that, got an apartment, did that for about 4.5 years. COVID hit, stayed with the parents, got the RV, and
this is what we're doing.
Yes. So that's the answer that question of where we are from.
Okay, so the next question we got a lot was, how did we meet? We met at Publix, which is a grocery store, and I was 16 years old. Erin was probably like 19 and a half, almost 20.
Yeah.
That's how long
ago. I guess we should probably answer another question real quick right now, is how old are we? And then you can get into more about that.
How old am I?
Kim is going to be 37 in August.
I'm supposed to forget. Once you start getting older, you forget how old you are.
Yeah.
37? I'm going to be 37. Erin just turned 40.
Don't tell them that. Yes, I am 40 years young,
so
people.
over 20 years we've known each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty great.
Yeah, we're basically like sisters. We've been best friends for so long. We've lived together so long. I'm like, our families have adopted each other. So yeah, we're basically like sisters. So yes. But we met at Publix.
Another question was, have you dated? No, we have not dated.
We have not dated, no. And we will not.
No.
We're literally like family, like sisters. We do fight like we're married quite often, but I think that happens with any roommates of any kind, even, you know.
Very true.
But yeah, we met at Publix. We worked together for a long time. And then even after we both left Publix, obviously our friendship continued because we're besties.
Together too after
that.
That.
Oh, and Publix was our first job.
First job.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first job and your first job too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah. It's funny. Most of our close friends we met at Publix.
So thank you, Publix.
Yes. They say you meet most of your close people at your job or school. So totally true. All right, next question.
Last question.
All right, last question we're going to answer, I think, is an appropriate one because it just made some yummy, delicious breakfast sandwiches.
Amazing.
I want another one already. So good. Definitely, if you see that bread at Aldi, buy it and do something with it at least because it is so good.
She was thinking of doing burgers or something. I'm like, you always do burgers. Let's do something different.
And I love
that
it.
was amazing.
It was a great idea and it came out so good. But anyway, okay, so this question is, where did I learn to cook? So it's kind of just a smorgasbord of things. When I was younger, I just always was interested in food, how food was made. I used to just mix all the condiments in the refrigerator together and just make my family eat it because I just always wanted to feed people even though I didn't know what I was doing. So slowly I started figuring out, honestly, watching a lot of cooking shows. And then in high school, I lived with my uncle who is a gourmet chef, and he taught me quite a few things. And yeah, and I've just kind of picked up things along the way. A lot of watching cooking shows, really. You can learn a lot. You really can. And TikTok recently has taught me a lot too. So I mean,
and you're inspiring people by this channel.
Well, I mean, cooking doesn't have to be scary or intimidating or even that hard. Even when you're doing it in a tiny RV kitchen, it is possible. And you know, cooking, I feel like is sharing your love. So that's why I really, like I said, I've said in previous videos that I don't like to cook for myself often. I'll just throw something together, but I love to cook for people.
That's how she shows her love.
It is. It really, really is. It's something I get from my Nana. She was very much that way.
Exactly.
So yeah. But anyway, so thanks so much for asking your questions, guys.
And I reap the benefits.
Yeah. Kim's like, I reap the benefits.
Those are not benefits.
We are going to try to get our act together, but we're enjoying being back in Tennessee and trying all the things we missed and indulging in some things that we haven't tried. We had the donut fryer video come out today, which the best freaking donuts I have ever had by far. Like by far.
People are commenting we need to try the cinnamon bread there.
Yeah, I'm down to go back.
I didn't even know that was a thing and it wasn't out or anything like that.
Again, we got there right when they opened, so they didn't even have everything displayed yet in the counter because we got there so early, but it was worth it. But anyway, yeah, so thanks for your questions. Obviously, if you have any more or anything else you want to know, you can comment below in this video. We're going to go back and we've made a list of all the comments we've gotten on Instagram and other videos too. So we're just going to try this every time we're doing a home vlog. We'll just answer a few questions for you guys. So thanks for asking.
Okay, time for the giveaway. This was a shirt that we got from Ole Smoky for doing the passport challenge, going to all three of the old Smokies here. The one in Pigeon Forge with the island and the two that are in Gatlinburg. Yep. The whiskey and the moonshine. So this is a 2X. All they had was 2X or 3Xs, so we got a 2X.
What is it made of? 90% cotton. So not 100% cotton.
Good, it's not 100% perfect.
Yeah, but it feels pretty thin, especially for how hot it is right now.
Uh-huh.
We also will be including a couple stickers.
K&E RVTV stickers.
Yes. This beautiful, our little, I don't know what you call it.
Artwork? I don't know.
Yeah, done by
Channel Art.
Katie M. Doodles did these for us. So cute. We love them so much. And we will try to tag her below, her shop or something, so you can check out her work, which she does such a great job. But yeah, so
she made us the logo, but the stickers are from another company.
Yes.
Made with our logo.
Yeah, she just made the logo for us. That are turned into stickers now.
Yes.
So yeah.
So if you see us on about, ask us for a sticker.
Yeah, we'll have them on.
And we'll include them with the giveaway.
All right. So what are we making them do?
Okay.
What are we gonna make you do?
In order to get this shirt, you have to, number 1, be a subscriber. Number 2, like the video. And number 3, leave a comment.
Yeah. You gotta say
why you love us. Why
giveaway.
No, they gotta say why they love us so much.
Well, and also if you're interested in the t-shirt, include that.
I'm just kidding, guys. Yes, just put t-shirt giveaway or something like that.
Just so we get the
and
gist that you're interested in being.
When we'll randomly pick a winner.
Yeah. No rhyme or reason, we're not sure, but we're excited. This is our first
giveaway for our 200th video.
Yes, this will be our 200th video once it's up.
Can you believe that?
While you guys are watching it right now.
Can you believe we have 200 videos
it's
already?
Crazy. Time is just such a weird,
over a year.
Concept because I feel like it's flown by. I also feel like it's ages ago that we started this journey. But I'm loving it, and thank you guys for coming on this ride with us, especially those of you who have been here since like the beginning. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you're new to our channel and you want to get involved in this t-shirt giveaway, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye guys.
Bye.